What is going on, everyone? My name is Ty. Welcome back to the channel. See how this corner looks? Oh man, look at that beautiful clean corner. Just a few little rocks. This entire corner was covered in all of that shit right there. But your boy did the city a service here and came down and swept my heart out there for probably half an hour. It was a lot of shit, but I was tired of turning into that freaking corner and just feeling like I'm about to eat shit. And waiting for street sweepers around here, especially on the side roads like that, is not good. Speaking of rocks, when trucks ride the shoulder like this and kick up the dust, you gotta stay back, man. Especially since I'm squidding right now, as you can see, in a t-shirt. That thing flings a massive rock at you, you're gonna feel that when you're not wearing a jacket. But goddamn, what a beautiful day today. Like 28 degrees Celsius, of course. Early June. I mean, how can you not squid on days like today when you can ride comfortably in a t-shirt? If it was up to me, I would be in shorts right now, but I just put in some work. And yeah, as a mechanic, you definitely don't want to be rolling around in shorts. I need to get around this truck. The wind coming off of this thing is brutal right now. Get a naked bike, they said. Oh, he's turning. We're Gucci. It's also kind of windy out today, even without this truck here, so I'm going to be getting pushed around a little bit for sure. Alright, buddy, turn the truck. There you go. Maybe he got called out to get rid of the rocks. Somebody might have called me in earlier when I was sweeping that road. Like, come on, guys. 28 degrees and this poor kid's out here sweeping the frickin' road. I wouldn't be surprised. This small town here is pretty anal about calling in for stuff like that. I'm surprised the cops didn't show up. Who knows, maybe they did. Maybe they didn't get called. They just got out of there quick enough. As soon as you do something out of the ordinary around here, people are all over you. Trying to do the community a service or you're getting dirty look. I mean, if I didn't ride a motorcycle and understand that that stuff needs to be cleared, I'd probably be looking at me like a weirdo too. The tire on the back of this thing that's relatively new, man, it's got some serious chicken strip action going on right now, so need to get rid of that ASAP. Just haven't had a chance to get out to any nice roads this year yet. Hasn't been this warm yet. Hasn't been worth to get out to some of these nice roads. The only negative thing about today is your boy is hurting. Ironically, a video later after talking about how I want to get my health up, I injured myself again. Not my back this time, just my knee, but it is not feeling the greatest right now. Super swollen. If I bend my knee fully, I can bend this side that's not swollen more. It's crazy what this weather does to your mood though, man. Even with a bum knee right now. Riding a bike where you gotta bend your knees a bunch because of the seating position. I am a happy camper today with this weather. It actually was forecasted to rain, and I think it still is gonna rain a little later. I thought I was SOL today for the bike. How the turntables. Man, look at this freaking van. They need some shocks in the back. It's riding like a Cadillac every time it hits a bump. Man, look at this thing. Holy crap. Give them a business card. Get that fixed. We're gonna put a passenger in the back. You're gonna be hitting their head on the ceiling every time they go over a bump or a whoop. Wow, that's early for Canada Day. Man, my bike is absolutely filthy again though, from all the dust being kicked up today. This time of year, you almost gotta wash your bike every time you ride it, man. Between the dust and dirt and then the bugs coming out of hibernation. Oh, like this shit. What the fuck is this, man? I don't know, that guy's just following the tractor or what? Nothing like a nice fresh set of sandpaper on your skin. It's okay, they're not killing my vibe today, man. Weather's nice. Before we know it, season's gonna be over again. What do you think, guys? Just start making some bags so you can take 6 months out of the year and go down south. Man, right now it sure feels good to be Canadian, but once that winter hits again. Speaking of being Canadian, I'm about to alienate myself from a lot of people here, but I think we actually got a pretty good chance of a Canadian team winning the cup, which should be sick. It's not the right team, but Edmonton's doing pretty good, and the odds are in their favor. As long as they keep the big body Florida players off of them, I think we got a pretty good chance. The last time a Canadian team won the cup was before I was even born, so it's long overdue, that's for sure. Alright, now to wait at this light for another vehicle to come. It sure as shit ain't gonna pick me up. What's up with everybody riding the shoulder today, man? Oh wow, I should not be yawning this early in the day. That's crazy. Remember that thing I said in the last video about trying to get more sleep? Yeah, it hasn't started happening yet. So your boy's tired. 4, 5, 8. I don't know if I'd be driving something like that on a day like today unless it was fully PPF'd or something. I kind of want to get past this truck before a chunk of rust comes off it and hits me. That box side looks like it's holding on for dear life. Now the real question is, do I want to get something for lunch or do I want to go home and eat what I've made for myself? Your boy has a fast metabolism, for sure. That doesn't mean I'm healthy, and it's hard sometimes because I like food too goddamn much to not just say, screw it, let's get something. I like food too much and I don't like cooking. So luckily the better half has definitely changed me for the better as far as eating habits, because before I met her, man, cooking was a very rare thing in my household. And I'm not saying I eat fast food a lot. I mean, every once in a while I do enjoy some Taco Bell or some Mickey D's or whatever, but not very often. If I'm gonna eat out, it's gonna be something somewhat healthy. You know what, now we're talking about it, I just want some Mexican food or something, man. Ugh. My willpower, I think, is gonna give up on me today. I think I'm gonna stop and grab something. Water's still pretty high. Now that I have a little bit more time on my hands, man, I gotta do some fishing. What do you guys think? Tyler Nelson fishing channel? The masturbator? No, I'm far from it. I'm pretty green when it comes to fishing. I've just recently discovered that I don't hate it as of the last couple of years, so just didn't have time, man. You know, I used to always drive past places like this if I was out and about during the day, and I'm like, man, what a life. And now I got time to do stuff like that. Driving past the golf course, driving past the lake. Hell, let's make a gardening channel. Fuck it. Feels like I've just started living again. Going from 80, 90 hour weeks to 40, 50 hour weeks. It's crazy. Should have done it sooner, man. What do you guys think about a track day maybe coming up? They're expensive, especially around here, but I would love to take my bike on the track. And the next question is, do I start right on the Z1K or do I take the little 250 the first time? Just to kind of learn the rope. Everybody that I've talked to said it's an extremely humbling experience. Man, why did I talk about food for so long? Now all I can do is think about food, man. It's early for lunch for me, and man, am I hungry now that I'm thinking about it. Alright, here's the compromise. I'll go to a place that is cheap and smaller than I would normally get at a Mexican restaurant. If y'all have a Fat Bastard burrito around you, you better try it, man. If you know, you know. They do a Wednesday deal too on a burrito. Shit slaps. Dude, that guy just straight up butt cheeks, man. That's fucking hilarious. Imagine if I rode my bike around, just riding around butt cheeks out. Now there's a video idea. Now that I think about it, I think I've actually gotten Fat Bastard in a video before. Here's the spot. See you in a second. Man, y'all have got your boy hungry. Almost hangry, but like I said, there ain't nothing that's killing my vibe today. Oh, one-wheeler. That thing is sick. I need me one of those. I feel like I break myself so many times though. Maybe at least let my back and my knee heal first, you know? Downtown 3 videos in a row, huh? Oh, got a goose crossing here. Oh man, they got a lot of babies. Wow. If Papa Goose was a human, he would have been getting it on, man. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna take off. Your boy's hungry. I'm gonna go eat some food. Remember, Fat Bastard. If you know, you know, man. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember, always keep hustling. And most importantly, be kind. Peace.